Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete Boo Dating account permanently. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Boo Dating app, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get the Boo Dating app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those apps and locate the search bar. In the search bar type Boo and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either create a new account or to log in using an existing account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Boo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to delete Boo Dating accounts permanently. Let's say you're done exploring all of the features in Boo and you're just exhausted and you want to get rid of Boo. You just want to delete your account permanently. You don't want it anymore. Here's exactly how you can delete. From this homepage, head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Now click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. It's going to take you right into this window. Now you have profile, edit profile, my coins, power ups, notifications, saved posts, personalities, personality database, and settings. Click on settings. And once you click on settings, now it takes you here. We have privacy, language, dark mode, disable vibrations, use metric system, social feed, notifications, messages, safety tips, view tutorial, account help, send feedback, legal intake survey. So go ahead and click on not help. Go ahead and click on account, and once you click on account, it takes you here where you have retry pending purchases, you have change email, ads, you have pause account, you have delete account, and you have logout. So go ahead and click on delete account. Now once you click account, it takes you here. So don't lose touch with the souls you've yet to meet, or you've yet to meet, whatever that is. So this is it. So are you sure you want to delete? Yes, of course you want to delete. So scroll the way down and then click on this delete button at the bottom corner. So once you click on the delete button, you see that your account is going to be automatically deleted. That way, that's pretty much it. This is how you can delete Boo Dating account permanently. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.